Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hands-free umbrellas that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the new V Fishing Umbrella. Here is a high-quality hands-free umbrella that you can use when you are outdoors going about your errands. It comes with a perfect size as it is compact to facilitate convenient storage and effortless portability. The best thing that you will love about this best hands-free umbrella is that it is wide enough to keep you and any items that you are carrying shaded from the rain. Ideally, this product features an adjustable chin strap to ensure that it is stable and you are comfortable when using it. Moreover, this best hands-free umbrella is equipped with a spring-stop lanyard cord lock to ensure that it tightly remains in place as you do outdoor activities or play outside in the rain. Furthermore, this hands-free umbrella has a silver coating cloth that mainly reflects light outwards instead of absorbing it. Therefore, it is a great solution when you are walking under extreme sunlight as well. Additionally, to ensure that you remain cool during hot sunshine, this product is equipped with a ventilation vent, enhancing user-friendliness. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ieasycan hands-free umbrella. Do you want to buy a high-quality hands-free umbrella at an affordable price? Well, here is a premium quality hands-free umbrella that you should consider buying because it is competitively priced to ensure that you can afford it even when working with a tight budget. The best thing that you will love about this product is that it is foldable to facilitate compactness and portability. Additionally, this best hands-free umbrella comes with an elastic headband to ensure that it remains stable regardless of the head size of its user. Furthermore, this headband also boosts comfort to the user as they go about their errands when wearing it. Besides, you should buy this product because you can use it to do numerous outdoor activities when it is raining, including playing, gardening, traveling and fishing among others. At number 3, we have the Luwint elastic hands-free umbrella. This is the best hands-free umbrella that comes with a foldable design to enhance its compactness. As a result, you can conveniently store this umbrella in tight spaces and easily carry it wherever you go to enhance portability. Moreover, this hands-free umbrella features a wide construction to ensure that it gives you enough shade for your whole body. Additionally, it has a lightweight design to ensure that you can effortlessly carry it with you wherever you go. Besides, this hands-free umbrella features a user-friendly design to facilitate comfort and stability. One of the best things that you will love about this hands-free umbrella is that it comes with a reflective heat cloth to ensure that it will not absorb heat when you are walking under the sun, keeping you extremely cool. Besides, this product can widely be used in different outdoor activities including hiking, farming, golfing, gardening, fishing, photographing, and painting among others, giving you great value for your money. At number 2, we have the FUNSHELL backpack umbrella. Here is one of the best high-end hands-free umbrellas that you can buy on the market in 2022. However, even if you will have to spend a few more dimes on it, this product is worth every coin that you use on it. The product comes with a waterproof design to keep you dry when you are walking, working or playing in the rain. Additionally, one of the best things that you will love about this product is that it comes with a suspension system layer to facilitate back support. Furthermore, this hands-free umbrella comes with 5 layers of vinyl cloth to make sure that you are protected from UV and UVB light when using it under extreme sunshine. This is a product that will come in handy when you are heading out for outdoor excursions including climbing, camping, and hiking. You should order this high-quality product as stocks last. And finally at number 1, we have the Primo Supply hands-free umbrella. This is a fairly priced hands-free umbrella that will give you great value for your money. It comes with a compact size to ensure that it is convenient for storage when not in use, and it is highly portable. Furthermore, this hands-free umbrella is made using premium quality material to facilitate durability and a stable structure. As a matter of fact, its frame features high-quality stainless steel material that has a black plastic coating to enhance its durability. Besides, this hands-free umbrella comes with technology rejuvenation coating that plays the role of strengthening the sun's resistance. Ideally, this product features a top-notch design that gives it superior functionality. Moreover, it features a foldable design to ensure that it is compact enough for convenient storage and effortless portability. With its back plate adjustment and angle adjustment, this is a user-friendly hands-free umbrella that you will always love. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.